Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat, no? To all the people around the earth, especially to our organic followers here in our TikTok, YouTube, at saka in our Facebook page. Those people not yet followed and subscribe in our YouTube, follow in our TikTok, and the Facebook and Instagram, I ask your heart and mind to a little bit of understanding that if you have a time, and then you need to follow if ever you want it, no? Thank you so much. Good morning here from the Philippines. Buongiorno for the people of Italy. So thank you so much to all the people of Italy, which is our followers throughout the world, from the United States of America, China, Russia, Pakistan, Israel, Australia, Canada, and many others. No? Thank you so much to all of you. We are here today to discuss all about what was all about the 6713 of the RA, no? Republic Act. It's all about the ethical, or it's about the ethical standard of the public employee. So as of now, as we all know that in the name of Attorney Torion, and also the head of the Atamanubo, which is the lumad of this country in the municipality of Talaingod, was filing a case against Franz Castro, in which Franz Castro was abused to the NCIP, the young people of the NCIP here in municipality of Talaingod. That now she is continuing to receive the salary from the money of the people in the government here in the country. So as of now, this case it is upholding the time honored of a certain public employee for those people, the one who lead this country, especially in the members of the law-making body. As of now, we all know that Franz Castro she is convicted in RTC 11 and branch 2 here in Tagum City, which is the presiding judge of that case is no other than Jamie Bustillo Boco, in the name of Honorable Judge Jamie Bustillo Boco, against two individuals, in which for the taking of the young people from that certain municipality, in which right now the claim of this NCIP, which is Dato Kausing and other datos of that municipality, that they are declared Sator Ocampo and the Franz Castro was declared as a persona non grata of the municipality of Talaingod. So as of now, you know what is the violations of these certain individuals who are sitting the throne of that the law, the members of the law-making body right now, who are very vocal of that violations, talking about many others violations in the government, that you know these people was the member of the terrorist group in this country, which is the communist group in this country, which is the NPA, CPP, NDF, NPA, was this people is a member, no? So the claim, it was all about why these people is continuing in that positions. So the claim of these lumad people, especially the datos, was to remove in that positions because they are not be capable to work within the government, because the heart of these people is not all about the government. It's overthrowing. They are overthrowing the system of government the system of rules of law in our government, because the mandate of these people in their mind is to breaking down and to overthrow the government. So that's why be careful of these people, these kinds of people right now who are sitting on that inside of the Congress. So I am explaining for the questions what are the violations. So the lawyers and the expert know it, no, what was the violations of this. So it is a big violations and a big insult to our existing law in the country. So that's why it is more about how to guide and to lead the country, because that was mandated by the Philippine Constitution. We are sitting down if there is any violations and to act as a, what do you call is that, overthrowing the government, because this people was the member of that terrorist group, no, NPA, no. That's why wag na kayong mag ano-ano dyan, no, magmamagaling kasi yung mga grupo ng mga NPA na to nasa gobyerno na, nakapasok na ho sila. Kaya mag-iingat ho tayo mga kababayan, especially those people who are working in the government, no? Mag-iingat ho tayo sa mga pumapasok po sa atin, sapagkat ang mga taong ito walang ibang iniisip to. Paano nila gigibain at paano nila papasukin at paano nila itataboy ang our existing law. Di ba? Yan po, no? Huwag kayong magmamagaling.